EU, Roro, Chief Engineer to Embark 1136, trade Caribbean ship around 15,000 deadweight, flag Cyprus. Therefore, as it is the limited endorsements we have for the Cyprus flag in America, only Peruvians, and they don't have many islands there, so there's not so many Roros. Experienced chief engineers, so we're thinking about either Spanish, or it could be Greek, Italian, or even Romanian, Bulgarian, all nationalities, even Filipinos and so on. Both Roro experienced chief engineer, international crew, mainly we have on board Filipinos and so on. We will start placing and recruiting Latino crew. Why? Because ships are St. Kitts, San Martin, Puerto Rico, and so it is very important that if you have this experience, $10,000, and we can negotiate, but please apply urgently, because we got this new client for today, and there will be a fleet of Roros in the Caribbean. Candina is growing, the Roro in the bunker, in the tanker, in the LPG, all types of ships. So please apply urgently so we can start with this placement and recruiting, and then also have the backup chief engineer. Thank you very much indeed for your time. Pass throughout all the groups of social media. I believe also Cyprus, it can be also Mexico, but this I have to check. And thank you very much indeed, and goodbye.